Hi, good morning, guys. This is Sumit. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? So, I'm here with you with a new video. It's a mix up of Chinese and South Korean market from Dubai Global Village. So, without further late, let's go to the market. So, in this video, main attraction is the shop and the shape of the hut. Other things are normal due to COVID. Most of shops are closed, but the attraction, like you can see the shape of the huts, is very nice. So, how was the video? Just comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.